Welcome WPP, my name is Jonas Vogel. We are standing here in the kitchen of the Köhlerstube Bauernstube here at the Hotel of the Traube Tonbach in Baiersbronn, and I will prepare a traditional dish for the region of the Black Forest, the Schwäbisch Maultaschen. So basically it's a very simple dish which was developed by monks in the period of haste. They tried to hide the meat which they weren't allowed to eat under a pasta dough. So we have a filling made of onions, bread, milk, grounded veal and grounded pork meat, which is rolled up in a thin pasta dough and then poached in a tasty broth. So for our dish we will top the Maultaschen with melted onions, then it comes with a little side of homemade potato salad. And finally, a rich beef stock with fresh herbs on the side. And a little herb garnish on top. So that's it. Please enjoy your meal and have a nice evening.